Panòptic. Surveillance cameras with facial recognition, motion detectors, GPS receivers, thermal sensors. Day, night, when you are at home or in public space, in the toilet, in the car or in the elevator. We know where you are and what you do there. Do you doubt it? Open your eyes. You've been living in 1984. You're not the character in a science fiction novel, and you can't wake up from a nightmare. This is your reality, the miserable real life of each and every wasp on planet Earth. Be alert with the silly face you put on. You don't know who will be recording you right now. Panòptic.